What is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
The correct answer is diamond.
Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
The correct answer is oxygen.
What is the boiling point of water at sea level?
The correct answer is 4 degrees Celsius.
Which part of the plant makes food?
The correct answer is leaf.
Which is the largest organ in the human body?
The correct answer is skin.
What is the chemical formula of water?
The correct answer is
How many legs does a spider have?
The correct answer is 8.
Which gas do humans need to breathe to live?
The correct answer is oxygen.
Which is the smallest planet in our solar system?
The correct answer is Mercury.
What type of star is the Sun?
The correct answer is yellow dwarf.
Which part of the cell contains the genetic material?
The correct answer is nucleus.
Which is the fastest land animal?
The correct answer is cheetah.
Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight?
The correct answer is vitamin D.
What is the study of the weather called?
The correct answer is meteorology.
Which planet has the most moons?
The correct answer is Saturn.
Which is the main source of energy for the Earth?
The correct answer is sun.
How many bones are in an adult human body?
The correct answer is 206.
What is the largest mammal in the world?
Correct answer is blue whale.
Which force pulls objects towards the Earth?
Correct answer is gravity.